Hello Odoo users, we are excited to bring you another shipping integration demo, that is Odoo and Big Post integration. Big Post is renowned in Australia for handling and storing the large shipments with their extensive depot coverage across the country. In this demo, we will walk you through configuring company and setting up shipping integration for this module, which is compatible with both test and production environments. So let's get started. Once this application is downloaded from the Odoo App Store, we will configure company details. For that, we will go to Settings, go to User and Companies, and Open Companies. Here we have configured it in a demo database. So we will mention all the details of the companies and go to Big Post configuration. Once we check this box, there are two options which are mandatory to mention. First is API URL and then is access token. Once the details are mentioned, which is provided to you by the Big Post shipping provider, we will save it manually. So on saving this manually, the company details are configured. So now we will go and configure the shipping details. So we'll go to sales module, go to configuration and open shipping methods. In shipping methods, we have configured Big Post shipping service. So here are the configurations. First, we will mention the name, then we will select the provider, that is Big Post, and here is the configuration. First is the company configuration. If you have more than one company in your Odoo database, you can select anyone to which you want the service to be applicable. Second is the package info. So if you have more than one packages to ship your products, you can configure the same. So currently Big Post has a lot of package information, so we have configured the same for them. In the internal link, you can go and mention the size of the packages. You can mention the courier code as well for the future reference. Once the same is done, you have the job type. So there are two types of job type for Big Post. First is depot and second is direct. So in depot, there are nearby depot information that will be configured in your sales order, which will be nearest to the pin code of the buyer. And direct is, as we all know, that it will be delivered directly to the buyers, and these are the both of the options. Now we will go to another configuration, that is business. So if you are a business buyer and if you have the place where the shipments to be delivered are a business place or say a business environment, you can select this box. If the buyer has forklift or not is also an important option. If you have any heavy machineries coming in, so you will need a forklift to lift them. So this is the option to be selected if you have the forklift or not. Here are the other options, where if your shipment is weighing less than 40 kgs or is less in size, so there is an option if you want to deliver it to the buyer without their signature. So these are the basic configurations that we have configured. There are two types of job types, so we will see the demo for both of them. So first is the depot, and let's save it. On saving the same, we will create a sales order. Let's create a sales order. Uh, let's add the customer information, add some product, that is a storage box is what I want to order. So I've mentioned the quantities, and here I'll select the shipping service. In the shipping service, I'll select Big Post configuration and I'll get rated. So here I will get the rates. So currently I have been given the rate and I'll add it. So in case if you want to change or see the nearest depot, so here are other courier IDs and courier names which are currently nearby to my pin code. So if I want to change, I can change. Currently this is one which is selected, but I want another depot address, that is Hunter Express. So I'm selecting the same. Now as you select the same, you will see that the changes are made over here, and here the Big Post depot ID is configured. After this, you will confirm the sales order. We'll go to delivery order. By going to delivery order, we'll go to additional information where we will see that career partner is already selected. And in case not, if you can change the shipping services from here as well, or say the career partners from here as well. So this is the last thing that I have to mention. And in the operations, I don't want to divide these packages into more than one, say, pallets. So I am not using this configuration of putting pack currently. So I'm not using this feature. So now we will go to additional information and validate the shipping order. On validating this delivery order, We will see that tracking reference will be configured with data. That is what you can see now. And shipping job post ID is also configured. And here you can track your shipments directly from here as well. And this is what is configured properly. So now we have another configuration, that is, as we go to shipping method, we will do as job type as direct, and let's save it. Now on saving that, we will create another sales order to see how the direct job type works. So again, we will have the customer, we will add some products. On adding some products, we'll add some quantities, and now we will add the shipping. We'll select the big post and we'll get the rate. In getting the rate, we will have only one rate to be mentioned over here, that is $22, and add it. Here you can see there will no be other rates as we have in depot. So this is depot ID, which is blank as we have not selected depot from the configuration. So this is the courier rate that we have currently, and now we will confirm the same, and rest of the details in the delivery order will remain exactly same as before. So we'll validate the same and see. On validating the same, you will get the tracking reference and job post ID as well. So these are the basic two configuration of big post shipping services. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues while configuring the same. Our team will be there to help you out. Thank you.